In this video, we're going to look at how you can add banners to your Shopify website using Canva. The good thing about Canva is it tailors to business owners like yourself. So you can get up and running. You don't need to create templates from scratch, especially because you're running a business, you don't have time to be coming up with design ideas from scratch and trying to put pieces together. You can use a Canva template, change text, change images, get up and running, and start customizing your website. So all you want to do really is if you come, let me pull up Canva again. If you come here like this, if you type in create a design, you type in website banner like this, click landscape, and you see the banners just pop up here. So again, very simple. Look for one. What I would recommend is to look for something that matches kind of the design and the flow and the styles of your website, and whatever it is that you are trying to do. So if you come down here, you see all the different styles. You saw one, I believe it was, let me see right here. So it has like a sale. If you have a sale coming up, you can use this to for your website, change the text, change the images. You do notice that some are on Canva Pro. So if you have a Canva Pro account, that's perfect. You can start making adjustments to these themes and actually put them on your website. You come down here, there's coming soon templates, there's special offer, new collections. If you want to put a new collection, so a theme like this would be very good if you have like a sale going on in your store. Like in this case, it says up to 35% off, shop now. You put a banner like this on your website. Now, the one thing that you want to keep in mind with these banners is you want to make sure that they're responsive. So responsive meaning that how does it look on a phone screen versus a tablet screen versus a desktop screen? When you actually add this to your website, you want to make sure that it looks the same. You don't want it to be morphed or disfigured on the phone, and then customers see just this huge warped image. You want to make sure that for every screen size, the banner looks appropriate to the customers. But again, Canva is very helpful for this. You see all the different template ideas that you have. So ideally, you see here, this is divided into different sections here. All you would have to do is just replace these images with images of your brand. Maybe you want to use your product, so you have your own specific brand images. You can change this. You can change the background color of this. So let's say you want to change it to black for whatever instance here. Change it to maybe a darker brown. They also have a nice color palette that comes with every specific template. There's always a color palette that matches the color scheme of the current template here. So that's very useful. Again, maybe you want to change the opacity of this, make this a little bit full. Maybe you want to make this a little bit lighter like this for whatever reason, but you still want to make the text legible. So that's something to look at as well. Maybe you want to change from stop now to explore, something like that. Maybe your sale is 55% off. Maybe you want to add a logo here. There's so many things that you can do with Canva, but I just wanted to quickly share this with business owners, because I know it can be very difficult trying to come up with ideas, especially when you have so many other things that you're worried about. Canva is a great tool, especially if you invest in Canva Pro as well, to get some of those other premium templates that we saw here to get up and running on your store. You can even spend one day a month, come up with 50 templates that you can use both for your website, for your social media accounts, or whatever the case may be. But I just want to share this quickly this video with you to give some ideas on how you can improve your store. Now, if you're looking for support with creating these templates, if maybe you really don't want to worry about this and you'd rather focus on other aspects of the business, we do offer monthly support plans where we can create these kind of templates for you, whether for your website, whether it's for your social media account. Templates, maybe you need it for marketing collateral, you're running ads on TikTok, on Instagram, and you need these type of assets as visuals for your ad. We have a monthly support plan. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, or if you just have any questions about what it is that we can help you out with, please feel free to reach out. But once again, I hope this video was helpful and gave some ideas on how you can use Canva to create templates for your website and for your business.